So now I'm at Khao Soi Dao National Park. The scene on the way to get here is so beautiful, but unfortunately when we arrived here they only charged us for the car and just one person because we're not allowed to enter the park yet, not because of COVID but because it just rained 2 days ago. So there's still a high level of water and there's a high chance of flash floods, so it's not safe. Yeah, so we can't enter deeply that way. So instead we can just look at the river here. We can just walk down the river trail. So that's it. This is Khao Soi Dao. Yeah. Okay. Oops. The water is so clear, you can see all the way to the bottom. You can see fish swimming there. They have a little swing. You could swing down and jump into the water. Yep, and that's it. Seems there's no more path going in. That's it. So that's all for Khao Soi Dao. So sad we cannot go in. So yeah, but it's still nice to see that there's water flowing. So at the entrance they have a bathroom and a mini cafeteria. We're supposed to enter here, but we cannot. So I guess we would be seeing a waterfall, or we're supposed to be seeing a waterfall. Or maybe some views, but not today. So just like in every national park in Thailand, kids are charged 10 baht, Thai adults 20, foreigners 200, which is 10 times higher. Motorcycle 20, four-wheeled car 30, and six-wheeled trucks 100. So it says beware of wild elephants. Simple dish today, chopped pork with garlic and egg with sunny side up. And we have arrived at the Cathedral of Immaculate Conception in Chanthaburi province. Seems like this place is right next to a school. There are many students like hanging around playing badminton and people jogging. as well around the church. This is another highlight in Chanthaburi province.